What if I told you that you could get the cinematic motion look in your portraits without having to shake your camera or doing any crazy setup while taking a photo, just by using the new effect in ON1 Photo RAW 2026? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your static portraits into dynamic cinematic edits that instantly grab attention, all using ON1 Photo RAW 2026's brand new motion effect. All right, without any further ado, let's jump straight in. I've prepared a few sample photos that I downloaded from Unsplash. Let's use this one. To apply the effect, go to Effects, Add Filter, and Motion. Here, you'll see three types of motion that you can choose from: pan, zoom, and twist. On the right side, there's also this random button that generates different motion variations. If you don't want to adjust it manually, you can click it a few times until you find something you like. But for this photo, I'm going to set it up manually. I'll select twist motion, adjust the zoom to bring it a little closer, but not too much. Then tweak the angle slightly, and I'll leave the smoothing as it is. And that's it, just like that. Here's the before and after. Look how cinematic it looks after applying the effect. Down below, there is also a protect option that you can enable. It lets you choose whether to apply the effect only to the background or the subject. For this photo, I'll leave it disabled. Okay, let's try another photo. Let's use zoom motion this time. Here's the before and after. And that's how you can take your portraits to the next level using this ON1 Photo RAW 2026's new motion effect. It's such a fun and easy way to add motion and energy to your photos without complicated setup or hours of editing. If you're interested in getting ON1 Photo RAW 2026, feel free to use the link in the description to get a discount and to support this channel. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.